again. Why does this keep happening? Hi, control pad. Yes, I'm having trouble with my Xbox. Okay. Okay, great, thanks.
But that's the way I like it, baby. I don't wanna live forever. And don't forget the Joker.
Yes! Thanks, control pad.
You're taping me, all this nonsense.
Yeah.